Look down.
버클을 끼운 다음 끈을 몸에 맞게 조여주세요. 붉은색 손잡이를 당기시면 부풀어 오르고
That is fucking disgusting.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed in Seoul Incheon International Airport. Please remain seated until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening the overhead bins as items may fall out. Thank you for choosing Korean Air, a member of SkyTeam, and I hope to see you again soon.
등기 차례로 통과하여 주십시오. 등기
Wow. There's a projector. It's quite nice, right? Hi guys, we're in Korea and we've had a whole day of traveling, so it's been quite tiring. It's 8 p.m. now, so we're gonna go try to find some food.
Hi guys, we just went to a nearby restaurant because we're actually struggling. This area seems pretty local, so they don't really have places that had English menu or picture menu that would make our lives easier. So we just walked into this 24-hour restaurant. I think that's mainly pork stew. Comfort food is what I need right now because it's so cold. Fortunately, people here speak Chinese actually, so I got around using my Mandarin skills. This thing looks very sus, but let me try what it is. Not a fan. It's a bit bitter and seasoned with spice, I think. Not my favorite. These are more normal, like fish cake and bean sprout, which is what I think I prefer. The pork is a bit stiff though, no? It's nice to already just eat something.
The next day.
So it's day one of our trip. It's not sunny, but at least, it's not raining anymore today. We woke up pretty late because we were so exhausted from all the travel. It's around 12 p.m. now, and today we're just gonna be exploring Gangnam area and also meet Rudy's friend from high school tonight for dinner. So yeah, we're at Starfield Library now. Very excited to see the library. Actually, I was expecting it to look a bit bigger, but actually it's not that big because like I guess there's like many people here, so many tourists, oh my god, going up and down the escalator. That's so kind of funny. I mean, I'm doing that too, but it's just kind of funny when everyone's doing it. It's pretty cool. Definitely recommend to check out if you're in the area as well. Just checked out the Starfield Library. It was so damn crowded and kind of like hectic because everyone's trying to take a picture. Yeah, very stressful. We passed by this plant-based restaurant called You Are What You Eat, and the decor and everything looks really cute. And we wanted to like, you know, start off our day a bit healthy, so I got a jjajangmyeon for myself, and it smells like truffle because they put some truffle paste in it, so it's like pretty fusion. Rudy got himself a kimbap with, I think it's vegetarian kimbap, and then a hamburger steak rice. So let's see if it's any good. Not your most authentic ones, but still looks pretty nice. Gonna eat it like a spaghetti kind of way. Even though like it's vegetarian, they still made it very flavorful. The truffle taste is not very strong, like, you know, once you mix everything together. I like it. And then we have the kimbap. Oh, it's a huge one and I can't get it up. Definitely tastes very healthy, like, and I like the pickled vegetables inside and make it like really like refreshing. And then let's try Rudy's burger rice. Kind of looks Japanese actually. The Japanese people love like this burger rice. It's yummy. I like it. It's like very comfort food. Like it's not like salty or anything. Like you won't need to like chug water after this. It's good.
Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어.
Next stop, we're gonna go to Apgujeong. We're gonna take the bus there, and it's kind of funny because like we always watch Korean drama, and like they're always like waiting by the bus stop.
자신이 너무 걱정돼 바보 같은 생각이야. 알아 멍청해. 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 가지고 있어. 사랑이라는 걸.
It's like falling off. How does it work? rows and rows of jewelry, cheap as well as silver ones, for really affordable prices. So if you're looking for different kinds of jewelry, this is the place to come. Good shop to like kill time and browse, although it can be a little bit overwhelming because there's so many options here. Apart from jewelry, they also have like hats and handbags, socks and things like that. Our first street food experience in Seoul. We actually just had dinner, Korean barbecue, but I guess really still not full, so we're here to have some tteokbokki. And they give you these free like fish soup like when you order a snack, so it's like really nice when it's like a bit cool outside. Really soft and mochi. Hi guys! As you can see, a lot of damages have been done. We got this toast looking scrubber for our kitchen and comes in a set of 4. Would be a really cute addition to our kitchen. Small travel bottle set. Actually, I was trying to look for this product in Hong Kong and it's been quite difficult, so I got this because, you know, I'm always traveling and on the road, so this would be really handy. Basically, put my skincare products in them. From Daiso, we got these little chair socks for our chair so that they won't make so much noise. And look, they even have like these paw prints, so cute. They were very cheap. At Nunu, I got 2 hairband. One is this lace ribbon hairband and it looks really elegant. Another one, which is for my friend, I got this white headband with like jewels on them, so it's like really nice and delicate. I bought lots of masks from Toriden because it's been like so popular. It's like the bestseller. Got like 10 of these for myself and my friends. Another really good and reliable brand is Mediheal. So I got like lots of different masks with different function, like got the citrus one, rice one, got 2 of these, and then collagen mask and tea tree mask. I also got this Toriden moisturizer because like it's so lightweight and it's like perfect for like humid weathers like Hong Kong. So this will be something that I will try to use in the summer. And I got these mung bean healing gel, which is good for like my weekly skincare routine, and it's less invasive than like scrubs because it's more gentle to your skin, so which is why I bought it. Also from the same brand, I got these mung bean like mask. So they're clay masks and helps you remove like blackhead and like impurities. You can never have enough sunscreen, right? So I got 1 each. They're both really hyped products in Korea right now, so I wanted to try both of them out, so I got 1 each. So this is the Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. Most of you probably have heard it. And then I got this other one, I'm not sure what the English name is actually. Blackhead removal nose mask. I've actually not tried this kind of products out, but it's like one of the best sellers, as you can see, winning award in 2023, so wanted to try it out and see if it's any good, and if it's good, I'll buy more. It's in a set of 5 masks. Vitamin C serum. I always use vitamin C in the morning, but I've never tried this brand before, and apparently this brand is pretty good, the bestseller in Korea, so I wanted to try this out as well. And then moving on to Rudy's purchase, he got these down perm gel, which basically makes hair go down and more neat and tidy, and it's cheaper than, you know, having to do it in the salon, so he's gonna try this product out. We'll see how that goes. He also got a salicylic acid cleaner because he's running out of cleanser, so we got this to something new for him to try. So that's all to our haul today. We'll keep you posted on what else we get in our upcoming days in Korea. See ya!